guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Zara sale haul video, and Zara ki sale haul video I have not uploaded in this channel like kabhi nahi. This is my first time Zara sale haul video, and yeah, I went for the shopping and it was amazing, guys. Like people were crazy there for the sale because बहुत time से उन्होंने shopping नहीं करी. You can decide from the thumbnail itself. So it is a Zara sale haul, and yeah, I love Zara clothes because they have got a very good quality collection, and obviously pricing part it is a bit higher, but the quality is also worth it. मुझे सबसे best part ये लगता है जो भी trend में होता है Zara is the first brand to insert collection, and especially in India you'll get some very good collection out there. So definitely yeah, it is kind of a mini Zara haul, sale haul. So without further ado, let's get in the video and just quickly check out what I have brought. And yeah, I'll be trying each and every pieces in front of you so that you can at least predict how it is looking, and you can, by the way, you can decide from that you need to shop those pieces or not. And definitely I'll be linking all the pieces in my comment section if I get those pieces on the website. And yeah, so let's get started. Here is my Zara, guys. Here is the packet of happiness, guys. So starting with my first product, let me peep inside my Zara packet. I'm a very die-hard fan of these kinds of skirts. Not skirt, what I'm saying. So these kinds of pant divider kind of skirt cum pants. They are super comfortable. Like when you're sitting and all, these pants are very comfortable compared to normal skirts, guys. I know. And the best part is it is high waist, which fits very perfectly on waist, and the detailing, I loved it. Because I've seen this piece in the Zara collection when they have inserted in their new collection, but just because of the price I was waiting that it will come on sale and then I'll purchase it, because previously it was for 2990 and now it was for 1990. So you see the price, guys. Yeah, so it is the thing. So this is the thing. It has got wide pockets, very comfortable. You can keep your phones and all. And yeah, like the dart here and the dart this side. And yeah, so this is the thing. The fabric and the material is super comfortable. So moving on next. Next is another good bottom. So yeah, so next is this pant. This is a normal formal kind of a pant, which is mint green in color. I love the color of it, and it is kind of full length comfortable pant. And the best part I love about this pant is its color. Definitely its color, it's something very fresh, and I don't know, I'm liking these kind of colors so much these days. And the detailing, I love the detailing part of it, and the material was super easy, super comfortable. And these pants can be styled in so many different ways. So this time I was this time when I was shopping, I was thinking more of a collection, more of making my wardrobe to be a capsule collection. Does that make sense? Maybe. So yeah, I'm trying to shop such kind of things where you don't have to think. Just take the top out, take the pant down, and make a combination. For example, like the way I have clubbed this pant with the crop top, which I have purchased from H&M. I have showed in my last H&M haul and thrown a shirt on the top of it with a very nice colorful neck piece. So my next product is a jogger, obviously. So new denim is joggers, everybody know. Like these days nobody is feeling like wearing denim. Like nobody ka to pata nahi. I don't feel like wearing denim anymore. Like denim jackets are okay, but bottom mein denim doesn't work for me. So joggers definitely, pants definitely yes. So this time I've inserted a jogger, and this is a greyish one with this folding here. So you can pair these joggers with sports shoes, sneakers and crop top and you're good to go. Yeah, so moving on next is this black skirt, which is like a very light material skirt, and the best part I loved about it was that it was fitting very perfectly on my waist and everything, and it was giving me a very good structure to my entire thing. So I loved it, and it is high waist also, so I thought of I can club it with a crop top or anything. I can like be very experimental. This plain black skirt and black is my favorite, guys. So my next product is a black crop off shoulder top, and it was so cute and so comfortable. Like there's a zip here, yeah, there's a zip here, and this crop top was super comfortable, super versatile in the sense that they can be styled with a shirt, like you can wear a shirt and a denim or a pant. If you're not willing to wear denim like me, you can definitely wear a pant and shirt and this crop top with skirt and joggers, and like these are savior kind of thing. Like if you are not able to decide in a hurry like what to wear, definitely these works wonder. So this was all about my Zara haul. Yes guys, so this was all about this video. Hope you enjoyed it and liked it, the products I've shopped from Zara. I know it is a bit expensive, but what I feel like, if you can wear those pieces for around 2-3 years, then definitely you can invest thoda sa zyada amount for such a good quality and premium wardrobe capsule. So yeah, so this was all about this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, do like and subscribe and share with your friends and family, because it literally encourages me and motivates me to make more and more videos, guys. And yeah, we'll meet next soon. Till then, bye.